Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad to be back. I am trying to get on a schedule and system as to when and how I will be able to be in my craft room. This is my How to Kill a Kit with style for July. I have not had one in a few months. Lots of changes in my professional and personal life lately. I have received another promotion at work. Great. I am super excited. Lots more work, lots more time. But as my personal life has changed dramatically and everything is topsy-turvy, upside down, I am trudging forward, moving on, and have a lot of time to focus on work. So you will see a lot of changes in my layouts and video posting. I have resigned from the Burgess Monroe design team. I just don't have the time to do that many layouts. I miss it. I love them. I wish them nothing but the best, and I will continue to be a big Burgess Monroe supporter. They were very supportive through the past 2 months of my trials and tribulations of my personal life that I had to get worked out, as that is not fully complete and still in process of being rectified so that I can move forward with a happy and healthy life for myself and my child and doggos. We are going to just push forward, but they have been nothing slight of wonderful. And I just felt that as I could not give them the time and energy that they needed to have a great content for their channel to promote that fabulous business, I resigned temporarily and may reapply later on. I did make the Cut to You design team, which, as you see, things fell apart in my life, and I wasn't able to post for that for a month, but we are going to go strong and come back on that because that is only 2 layouts a month versus the 2 projects that were due for Burgess Monroe every week. So that was a bit much for me, and I just couldn't commit to that, and I knew that there could be a spot for someone else who would be able to. I also made the Spiegel Mom Scraps design team, and again, only 2 projects a month. So my channel is going to go to those 4 projects a week, or a month. Kind of got my schedule here just so you guys are aware. So I will definitely be posting on the 1st and the 20th for Spiegel Mom Scraps. For Cut to You, I will be posting the 9th and the 26th of each month. I will still be participating every Friday in Mixed Media Mayhem because that is the love of my life. I will be doing the Cut Apart Crazy Monthly Hop. Stash Smash Saturday with Jackie. We postponed June and into July, so that will pick back up in August. I will be doing members videos, hopefully every Sunday. Obviously, we're a little late on some things because we're just still trying to get my life in order. I will be doing Scrap 5, May I Scrap Lift You. All of these are monthly hops. Paw Your Way, Off the Board, Xmas, How to Kill a Kit with Style, Pink Fresh, Simple Stories, and every once in a while when I have time, all those extra days, I will try to have videos up, but I am not going to pressure myself into doing that. So I actually have to, I have to live a life and get some things straightened out. So that's a little bit about what's going on with the channel. This month's How to Kill a Kit with Style theme is Splash. So I decided to switch it up and go with the Seaside Greeting by Craft O'Clock, a previous design team I have been on. Still going to try and scrap my brother and sister-in-law's wedding from 2021. So this is the collection I have. Excuse me. Look at my new cup. So cute. Anyway, sorry. So it's Seaside Greetings, and this is the cover sheet. I will have 4 of each pattern paper. So I have 4 of these beautiful cut-aparts to figure out how I want to use these. Obviously, they did not get buried by the sea, but it's Splash. So I'm going to figure out how I can use this to do some wedding photos. I do have four. I have, four of this. So here is the first two. This is page number 1. It's got a beautiful little, embellishment up there. Like, most of the work is done for you. So if you have not checked this company out, please do so. Down here, it does have some C items, which I can cover up with a photo, which is going to be kind of what I'm going for. The back side of that is this beautiful wood grain with a chevron pattern in red and white and a little distress going on. Then we've got this one right here. This is going to be a little bit harder to use because we would have to cover up pretty much both of these with photos, but I think we can do it. Beautiful elements there. So that's page number 2. The back is a beautiful wood grain, so if I don't use this one, definitely can use all 4 of the wood grain pieces because I love. Page number 3. This is definitely one that I probably will not be using this side of it just because it is very C. Got some trips planned later this year where I will be going to the beach to celebrate life and just get back to living life, being happy, and traveling because that is what I'm all about. Me and Sam are going to make the most of our new life, and we are going to forward focus. The back side of that is this beautiful blue and white stripe, so even if I can't use this side, I can definitely use all 4 of those. This one right here is a beautiful floral. I can fussy cut some of these out if I want, but there's so much other stuff to fussy cut that this can be, kind of a border type thing, but all the flowers and some starfish and coral. Then this beautiful sand and sea color wood grain, so definitely can use those. This right here is going to be a little bit more challenging with the beach houses, so this is another one of those. It's kind of got your center thing, so will not be using this that I know of. But the back is a beautiful blue and white polka dot. So there's that there. So that is going to be very usable. Seashells. Definitely not going to be able to put the seashells in unless I do something sort of like this just to match my photos, right? So that is 6. And then this beautiful pink clay color. So those are all the papers in the collection. I would really like to see myself bust through this quite a bit. So wish me luck. We'll see. All right. So I've already got some items that are fussy cut out and some other little pieces here because I did create a project with this when I went to Myrtle Beach. And just so you all know, I will be saying there is no more we. Haven't figured that out yet. Anyway, so we will. Is that going to fit in there? Alright. So we've got some fussy cut. I also have the 8x8 and 6x6 paper pads that are all the same patterns. There's a little scrap. And we've got this that's been fussy cut on and all of these fun sheets to get our embellishments out of. So these have all had something taken out of them. I will make the most and try to get as much of this used as possible. But like I said, if not, I do have trips planned later on because nothing, and I mean nothing, is going to stop me. And then we have both of those packages again. So I'll just stick those in there as well. All the fussy cut items I have brought in. Some sewing thread to go along with the beautiful collection. We've got a dark blue and a teal. And then I've got baker's twine. I've got red and blue and yellow just in case. Again, they got married in Georgia, so and they actually got married right across the street from Olympic Park. So we're going to try to get some of those in there. Still trying to use up these tags. Arrows, all of these little marriage chipboard things. In here, I've got some Cocoa Daisy. I used to be a member of that planner, but now I use the Hobonichi, so I didn't need any of that, and I find that I wasn't using it. Beautiful, though. If you have a 3-ring binder and you need a planner insert kit, Cocoa Daisy is your peeps. So, I've got some doilies just in case. Spiegelman scrap sequins. These are older ones. We've got Balloon Festival, wine country and oceanside breeze. So I figured those best went with what I was trying to go for with the red, white, and blue. I would like to see myself scrap all of these photos as best I can. Some of them will need to be edited. So, just so you know, I have lost about 40 pounds now. So I am very happy, healthy, living my best life, no longer have the long hair. Just changes have been made. So once again, we will, we'll cut some things out. We'll shorten that up. It's very easy to cut people out of your life. 100%. Can happen, will happen. And, yep. All right, so get those put back in there. Use a lot of doilies. I also have sitting on my desk a lot of thread and some frames. I'm trying to use up some of these extras that I have around, but that'll be on every layout I make. So here I have pulled in ice blue stickles and carnation red liquid pearl. Still got these little guys kicking around. Going to try to use those. We've got some flare from Dottie bought flare, the flare head. Adam, I apologize. I don't actually remember what you call your shop anymore. We've got the regular. I also, you guys, bought a machine before everything went south to make my own. So hopefully I can start doing that and getting my own made so that I can just make them match the collection I'm using, right? We're going to try to use up all of this stash as well. So there are all of those. Boop, boop. I do have some wood veneer. We have Forever, Love, Cherish, and Family. Just 3 pieces left from this some assemblage required epoxy kit. I've got these 3 big flowers that I would like to try to use. They are brads, and then a whole little triangle dish full of brads. Those put in there, and that's it for my kit, you guys. So I'm hoping to make some sort of dent. If I do not make a dent within this, like a huge dent, just getting things scrapped and getting back into normal life is really making me happy. Thank you guys so much for your support while I took a bit of a sabbatical hiatus. I love you guys. I wish you nothing but the best. Positive feedback and comments only. I will have to say that any negative comments from here on out will not get a response, and you will get deleted and blocked from my channel because I am no longer allowing negativity or drama in my life. I lived with it for too many years, and that is just not something that I'm willing to tolerate anymore, and I have set very strong boundaries for myself. So we are going to positively move forward, live life the fullest, travel, have fun, and we are going to get some layouts scrapped. So the hardest part for me is I have to go through pre-printed photos. There are things that I don't want to scrap. There are memories that I have that involve people in the picture that I no longer want in those pictures, and I don't want to waste my time, energy, and effort on those people. If you are my friend and you want to reach out to me and message me on Facebook or text message me, please do so. I will explain everything. I just am not going to explain it here because, well, it's crazy. And that is it. So I love each and every one of you. Check all the other girls out that are playing along for How to Kill a Kit Splash July. Can you believe it's July? I'm so excited. Summer is here. I have met some of the most wonderful people in the last few weeks that have just been supportive and great. And you know who you are. I would not have been able to get by these last few months without the support of my family and friends and people that I haven't paid enough attention to because of certain situations. And I am glad that you are in my life and will continue to be in my life. And we are going to have one hell of a summer going into the fall, baby. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I'll see you later with some more layouts. Bye.